Yeah, my people, no be small thing o. As you dey see that person wey dey dance for that place, na im be the Holy Ghost wey dey call one of Biafra Liberation Army commander. Omo, e don come outside o with new pattern. This one now na masquerade pattern. E go dey inside bush, you no go even know say person dey there. E go this camouflage na dey take dey inside bush, but him come outside here come send small message, come give out. Him say the religion say nobody go fit buy them o. He say as they dey inside that place now, he say nothing dey happen. Na wetin he talk for this video. He say that they dey fully prepared. They wait for the Nigerian army say make dem come. No be small thing, no, my people. You know say no be we talk am. We go play you the video, make you watch from beginning to end, and don't forget to share this video as well.
If you don't know, you don't know. But if you know, you know. What is greater than them? Now waiting go kill them. We are here to this. Good evening, wonderful people of Biafra. Today is a masquerade of Biafra Day in the jungle. I want to show the zoo waiting they kill them. Now only us they see them. They no fit see us. They know they see us. We know they carry gun. No. Sometimes now waiting we carry. We call it Akajimba, the hand of justice. You come to kill us, you go end up dying. Now. You want to kill us, you go die. We know they order you. You're dead. Now we they decide. You see what you bake us yesterday? You only bake us. But Brup! 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 Tell them October. Now no going back. We know they look back. Now forward ever, backward never. Now we be the great masquerade. We say, don't start waiting, you know, go fit finish. Now you start time. Now we go end. Now waiting in me. You kill us. We are here to revenge. We know the hurry. You go understand what we mean. We tell you, leave the land of Biafra in peace with your life. You say no way. Then they must carry your dead body. Leave the land. Now. You don't know. You think you feel kill us? When I tell you that your time is off, you were thinking that I was joking. We know if we die 2 times. We don't die before. Now we are here for revenge. Enjoy the masquerade. Now we there here, no be them. Those who say they can stop us, I will say, come forward now. Eh? Come forward. Come forward. Now we be your end. When we say what we say, we mean what we say. And we always do what we say. You can't stop us. Now we be your end. This is the land of our ancestors. And we go nowhere. We say Nigeria must end. Put up your power and try to stop the end of Nigeria. The more you try, the more you'll be destroyed beyond repair. Because we are come to end Nigeria. And that is why we are here. You understand what Mami Water mean. Because now we be the Opanje you never see. And we say, your end has come. Now we be the children of those men and women that you killed many years back. And we are raised from the dust to restore what belongs to us. And anything that stands on our way will be wiped out. No mercy. And there will be no forgiveness. If you think you can try us, step forward. Show your power. And let's see how your end will be. We are Biafrans. We want Biafra. And nothing more. You can't bribe us. You can't kill us. You can't see us. And you can't stop us. Now we be your end. Because in this land of our ancestors, we go nowhere. So bring your power, let's see. From me, from the land of the rising sun. It is good evening. See your brother, Holy Ghost. The spirit that the enemy can never see. Only the
Yeah, my people, as you don't watch that video, make sure say you share them and also follow this page and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates as it dey hot. We still dey here, they bring updates back to back. Let us know what you think for inside comment section. If you like this thing, what you can do, may you let us know. If you no like am, may you still tell us for inside comment section, because they read them and they see them as well. Okay, my people, we go see you for the next update as it dey hot.